Okay, good morning everyone. Now I want to show you I want to explain to you what is VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function in Google Sheet. This one is very basic function. I think you should know from your high school, but I just want to explain in this video. Now I have the table, 4 column of table, A, B, C, and D, and the header is guest name, table number, detail restriction, and then the last one is send invitation. For short, VLOOKUP is a function to call a data refer to first column of data. Okay, let's get it on. For example, I want to return the table number of David, so I put David here, the input, and then I put on the second cell, on the B8 column, B8 cell, equal VLOOKUP search key. This is important. We want to search the key of David, comma, and then the range, we just input the array, the data, the table A1 to D6, and then comma, index. This one is a number, integer. If you want to return the table number, so you have to put 1 and 2, the value of 2. If you want to return the detail restriction, you have to put the index is 3, because 1, 2, 3, and so on. If you want to return the send invitation data, you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Important to you, you have to drag the range. The first column is conclude your input. My input is guest name, so the A1 to D6, the first column must be the guest name. This is very important. So now I want to return the table number, so I input to value, and then is your data is sorted or not, just put false or true. My data is not sorted, so I put false. Close the bracket, and now I have the table number of David is 2. Now what if I change the input to Mary? It will return 5 value. Now what if I want to return the send invitation value? So I edit the function, the formula, I edit and change the index number to 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Now I have the send invitation to Mary. Is it yes or no? The result is yes. This one, the VLOOKUP. Now the HLOOKUP, very similar to VLOOKUP, but the difference is the references is not a column but a row. For example, I want to return the Bob table number, so I input table number and then equal to HLOOKUP. Then the search key I drag the same as previous. The search key is the table number. Oops, I have to delete it plus. The A10 cell, comma, and then the data A1 to D6, and then the index. I want to return the Bob table number, so I have to put 1, 2, 3 index. Okay, just remember the first row is the reference. So I put 3, and then is it sorted? Of course no. You just look your data, is it sorted or not. Close the bracket, it should returns 3. Now I return 3. Now what if I want to return the D3 restriction? So I just input D3 restriction. It will returns none. That's it. So the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is the reference. VLOOKUP is a column and HLOOKUP is the row. That's it. This function is very useful because it's very basic, it's very modular for you to use to analytics your data or for anything you want to do. I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.